Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto exchanges are the same. But the surprising truth about Latoken is that it focuses on emerging and smaller tokens while still offering standard trading features for major cryptocurrencies. Latoken allows you to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular coins, but it also specializes in initial exchange offerings (EOS) and new token listings. In my usage experience, I found it straightforward to create an account, deposit funds, and start trading. The interface is user-friendly, with standard charting tools, order types, and trading pairs. One advantage is access to unique tokens that aren't listed on larger exchanges. This can be exciting for traders looking for high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Latoken also supports staking for some assets, which allows users to earn passive rewards. However, there are some caveats. Liquidity for smaller tokens can be limited, which can make buying or selling large amounts tricky. The platform also has regional restrictions, so some features may not be available depending on your location. Security is solid, with two-factor authentication and withdrawal approvals, but users should still follow best practices. The surprising truth is that Latoken is best suited for adventurous crypto users who want early access to emerging tokens. For mainstream traders, it works fine, but the real value is in its unique listings and staking options. In conclusion, Latoken is a solid exchange for both traditional crypto trading and exploring new tokens. Just be cautious with low liquidity assets and always research projects thoroughly. Subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews to help you make informed trading decisions.